Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Kajidataonline. In this video, I'm going to share with you about one of the innovative solution to make your wired earphone. So I have here is a wired earphone, quite okay in terms of delivering the bass and treble, in terms of listening to music and also YouTube videos. However, I'm having a difficulty before to make it as a wireless solution. So what I have here is the XY Bluetooth Mini. So this one is cost me less than $1. So I also attach with the TP4056 module. So the reason of attaching this with the XY, because I'm going to use this battery. This battery is actually can be purchased from the AliExpress. It's quite cheap, less than $2.5. And then I also attach with the small switch over here. So if I on the switch over there, then it will be switching on. And the reason of doing this is because we want to attach with our earphone. So this is our wired earphone. So this is a very simple solutions, but I have a challenge in terms of making a casing for this project. So hopefully you can also suggest what kind of casing that are suitable to be used for this project. So the connections are as follows. So if you can see, we have the positive and negative over here. So the positive and negative is actually coming out from the TP4056. So this is the negative, and then this is the positive, which is the VCC, and then this is the negative side of the TP4056. So from here it will go to our Bluetooth module, and then you can see over there there is a indications of B plus and also B minus. So the B plus and B minus is actually being attached to our positive and negative of the battery. And then I have the connections over here, which I interrupted it using the simple switch. So when something happen in terms of the battery, for example, is depleted due to the usage and so on, so we can simply use the connector over here. Okay, we can just switch it off, and then we can use the connector, and then we can charging it. So after for sometimes it will be indicating the blue or green color LED will be light on, indicate that the battery of this module is fully charged. So I think it is a very nice project that you can also replicate and have some idea, especially if you got challenges in terms of how to make your earphone, how you want to make your audio devices become Bluetooth. So this is a very intelligent solution where you can just configure it using the XY Bluetooth Mini. So just connect with the audio jack over here, and then you can just simply turn it on, and then please just connect it to your Bluetooth. So inside the apps, basically the apps will be nothing more than a simple one where you can just go over here. Okay, connected devices, so it will be available. So as I already pairing it before, it just available over there to be used. The quality is depends on your earphone, but the module itself is very simple to be created, and I hope you can benefit from this sharing. Until then, see you again next time. And if you think that this video is very useful, please do help me with this 3-click. Please do hit the like button, share it to your friend and family, and you can also follow us by subscribing to our channel so that you will not miss our future updates. Until then, thank you very much and see you again. Bye bye.